Hey, welcome back, everybody. I have a 1994 Series 2 Collector's Choice baseball card pack that I'm going to open here. I believe this was probably the last series that came out right before the strike. So, let's see what we get. See Ken Griffey Jr. there on the back. Got a Padres Rockies card with Tony Gwynn and Andres Galarraga. Some sort of fold out. Got a silver signature of Danny Bautista. These cards are sticking together quite a bit. Not too bad, though. Mike Kelly. Pat Listash checklist card. These are going to be turned all different directions. There's the Griffey. Let's go ahead and get that out of the way. As you can see with older packs, got a bend on the corner there, so not always going to hit the perfect card. Bobby Thigpen. There we go with this turned all different directions here. Kent Mercker. Jody Reed. Kevin Mitchell. Carl Tuffy Rhodes, Mike Stanton, and Brian Turang. Like my video and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day, everybody.